Joey.
Wait, may iyak ako.
Yeah! You're riding the train like this, girl.
We are excited. Yes.
Maiiyak.
Wash
Emotional.
Good morning! It's Gaga Day! Rah, rah, rah,
But first, we're getting coffee.
Yes! So yes, we're going to a coffee place before the show. So we're having a really slow day before the concert. Just wanted to chill and rest. Kasi bubomba tayo mamaya. What shall we do that?
May card dyan. Hindi yan yung card ah. Ito yung money.
Asan yung po?
Ito yung money.
Outfit check.
Shit, gumana.
Fish puppies.
Bakla nadadak na yan.
Oh.
Ah! Shit! Grabe yung mga Pilipino. Sa vending machine natutuwa. Yes, eto dito makikita mo. Kita mo sa imagine mo, saan siya dalahin? Tang ina ka. Char.
Wala.
Ay, very final destination.
Ay, shit, you.
Very final destination yung atake. Ano pag lumang orange?
Jenny, matutumba sa iyo yung vending machine yun yung naaalala ko sa ano, Final Destination. Yes, let us see. Wow.
Ito yung mga amoy mo. Like amoy na amoy
Describe.
mo yung...
Ikaw, go.
Smells citrusy.
Sige. Yes, like my laundry.
Girl, I don't know where we are. And you're probably... Oh, ang sarap ng ano. Oh. Mga croissant. There's a lot of fun things here, people. Ayan, so... A lot of store. Ayan, iba talaga pag may baon kang sariling team. She said... Look at that. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Well, yes. Well, yes. Well, yes. Well, get the shorts, mama. Get the shorts. Get you a friend. Get you a motherfucking friend. Oop. Hate crime. About to get run over. Charot.
Oh, that's...
Oh, fun coffee shop.
Okay, we can visit back na lang. So we can go for it. Mas order na lang kami guys. Ay, malapit na.
So hello everyone, we're here at the coffee spot. Mukha siyang...
Shave some hardware.
It's giving hardware, it's giving garage. But just know that we are only ordering one coffee.
Yeah, one coffee for one coffee shop.
Yes, because number one, we are poor. Number two, we think as one, we're all minions.
Yeah.
We have one brain cell and we share one thought lang. No independency. One shared brain cell. Hey vlog, Joey is finally alive.
Hi, good morning.
Yan yung ginawa niya, bakla.
Buddy.
Yes! Ra. Bakla wala akong makita. Oo. Para siyang eye disease. Try it. Para kang may eye disease.
Hindi ka nakakita sa kabila. It's kind of giving Aryang ka.
There's this cute store. Ganda ng branding nila. It's giving Pop Gap's dream location. So I got myself a Milo espresso. Why are you whispering? Girl, nakakaya. Yung vibes dito nila parang very serene. Tapos nandito kami. Girl. You're like,
Bumubulong.
get out. Kiluwa.
Kasi nasa asylum daw. Kaya tahimik.
Kasi siyang Milo, galing. Alam mo, alam ano, Ovaltine. Alam mo ibig sabihin ng Milo? Masarap inumin, lasang Ovaltine, Milo. Just out here, you know. Hi guys! And kay Joey, he got himself Coke Zero. And I have myself just espresso. Just, you know, hanging out with a 5-year-old. And Jenny is drinking iced tea. And I'm the real man in this group with me with my coffee. Well, yes. Influencers in the world. Jenny, can you show me?
So, we bought beans from Asylum Coffee. Sadly, wala yung gusto namin espresso-based beans.
But
And then the barista was like, I can make you one on the house para you guys can try.
yes! Oh my god, they're so nice. There they are. So by the way, everyone, you are not using my vlog as a reference, I just know, but we're here at the asylum trying shit. Girl, kanina pa vlog ng vlog, ngayon pala nag-end. Hi vlog! My hair is a mess. We just had coffee. Jenny, how was the coffee sa
Yummy!
asylum?
Perfect!
Bait ng mga tao,
Yes.
be.
And then the baristas were recommending like beans for us because we wanted the espresso beans and they didn't have any daw for selling. So, yun. Nagsuggest sila ng mga beans na gusto namin na taste ng us.
Yes, so from the people in the asylum, they were actually nice.
Yeah!
Put her in the asylum.
Sa mga party.
Yeah. Thumbnail. Oh, my food has rats in it. Shut up.
Kailangan mo ng ano nga.
Thumbnail.
Nag-record kami kahapon ng drama.
Okay, rolling.
Pwede ba tayong dumaan ng 7-Eleven? No?
Why?
Doon lang naman.
Yes! Yes! Fight! Ikaw, ano sabi mo? Putang ina mo, dali. Sabi mo, putang ina.
What's the line? I-cut mo dun sa ano. Maganda yung sinabi ni Joey na, no, hindi pwede. Tapos ako yung, di, ang dali lang naman.
Girl, I'm not cutting any of this. I'm putting it as a whole.
Para kasi dramatic.
Yung dramatic. Tapos
may shade.
Okay, everyone in the comment, please edit this.
Noodle soup.
Nauna na ako kumain.
That's okay. Wonton soup, and then may noodles on this. May noodles, and then may wonton soup on the side. And then the
Guys, hindi
noodles
na i-upload
have-
yan.
Anong meat to? It's basically like mukhang char siu.
Guys, hindi na i-upload yan. Dito nyo na lang sa akin panoorin.
Tapos tinanong ako nung lady if
Are you gay?
I wanted chili. Sabi ko, okay lang please.
Nagtagalog ka?
Yes, sabi ko konti lang po.
Yes! Multilingual queen.
Okay lang siya.
How's the soup?
Soup,
I like it.
medyo
I mean,
fishy.
You can
Porky,
put
fishy.
a bit more flavor. I
Wala
guess.
siyang... Hindi siya maalat.
Yeah, we're complaining for 5 SGD.
Yun yung kanin na.
SGD. Okay, that's it.
Fuck you guys. So we're heading to have lunch. You know what? Bitch, fuck off. Fuck.
Ay, sorry.
Oh.
Look.
Ano masasabi? Sa Wonderland GC na
Tang
sinend.
ina mo, pakyo ka, Jongkin. Tang ina mo.
Hi vlog! Sorry to update you late, but we're getting ready for the Mayhem Tour. And I'm doing these fake tattoos on my arms as part of my look. So far, medyo nag-give. Hello everyone, update. So, Joey and Jen, they're at the stadium buying merch, and I'm here at the hotel. I gave up getting ready. I got so tired. Rico is out getting ready as well. I think he's like showering, but yeah, I'm already done with the tattoos, but I'm just in bed trying to rest while everyone is still not here, so trying to bask in some quiet time. I might even nap. So bye. Okay, hello vlog. You probably seen me look on Instagram, so hindi naman siya nasa-spoil. So I just wanted to show, don't mind the down area, but I just wanted to show, look at the tattoos. Like, fairness, Shein medyo nag-give siya for how much? Nag-give naman niya ang vibe that we're going for. So excited. It's only 1 p.m. So planning on going on 5. So may time pa to put makeup, get dressed, and also rest. Kasi I wanted to have energy later. So yeah. Hey vlog! We're doing now content. So little BTS moment, if you will.
Ganun.
Ano? That's so mean.
Girl.
Kung may sama yun.
Game. Okay, post number 2 game.
Yung ina mo.
Parang huwag kang gumanyan. Parang tumino lang.
Yan. Forward ng konti, Joe. Yan. Forward ng konti pa. Yan.
Palikod?
Balik.
Palikod.
Okay. Yan.
Yan.
Backward ka ng konti, Rico.
Come on, she said couture.
Post number 2.
Yun.
Post number 2.
Dasal ka. Dasal ka.
Okay, game.
Dasal ka.
Yes. Come on. Hey, how are you guys feeling, man? Okay. What are you most excited for, Joey?
Wait, may iyak ako. May ano?
Stop! Are you recording?
Yes.
Come on! Right, bitch! We need drama!
Alam mo, I'm really...
Come on! Joey, no, Joey, come on! It's alright!
Mamaya na.
Let her rip, girl.
No, yeah. That's okay. I mean, you've always loved her music and ano. Yeah. This is for Little Monster Joey.
Yes.
Yes, the lunchbox girl.
The
Ah, true.
Yeah.
Put, Josh, please edit lunchbox photo.
Yes.
What are you most looking forward for?
Song? Are we talking about song?
Any.
Cheers!
Ano ba?
Water.
Or syempre, a Garden of Eden.
Yeah.
Song ba?
And
A moment.
Alejandro.
Okay.
ako, experience-wise, kasi it's my first time seeing Gaga perform. So, I feel
Awesome.
like, yeah, no, honestly, I'm excited. Kasi,
For all.
Yeah, for everyone. And I know
Sure.
that everyone loves her music and Gaga's music means something for them. And for me personally, like as a batang bakla din. Yeah, I'm excited to see her perform. It's my first time seeing her perform.
Oh, taray. Parang pa JMA yung ano mo.
I
Joey.
love everything. All that monster.
Okay, not too much, habi na.
Not soon. Oh,
The most thing I'm excited for, me showing this outfit to the people. Wow.
8 mother.
Rico, sa mga dali. Silip ka dito sa ulo ni Jenny. Yeah! How do you feel right now with all the attention you're getting, Jenny?
Scared.
Yeah. But you
Scared,
know,
honestly.
everyone's living for it.
Honestly.
Now we're headed to the stadium now.
Babasa na yung video.
Looking like clowns. Ooh, sabi ni Sir, stop. Imagine riding the train like this, girl. Mama, look at the people. They're creeped out. Copyright, sister. Pwede mo ko nobya sa umaga. Pwede mo.
Weekends sa Sabado.
Yes! Yes. We will wait for your serious thoughts. Left, right. What are you gonna say?
You guys are giving me confidence. Thank you.
Mother, you are confident. You are a lady in red. Like the Lord says. Sa baba. I just wanted to add, it's also a Saturday today, so we're tormenting, like, see the people tormenting their Saturdays looking like a fucking fool. I mean, foolishly good. Yes! What the fuck? Hi, vlog! Gosh, I just wanna... Okay, now I'm kinda calm and collected. I just wanted to film. We're here. Very fucking surreal. Mama, this is making me emotional. So, we wanted to show you our seats. So, that's the floor and we're seated somewhere there, I think. Maybe on that side. Medyo gilid kami. It looks far from here, but in person, honestly, we've been expecting worse. Pero, thank God it's not that far. Here are my friends. Oh my God! Ayan yung... Bitch! Where's it? Yes! Yes! Hi vlog, it's been a few minutes in between. We're more calm now, so I can't vlog right now, but later during the show, you know, copyright, I can't for YouTube. But I'm filming a TikTok, so you can go ahead and watch that.
We're here.
Thank you for vlogging for it. They're probably gooning for it. I can't function, so sorry for not vlogging.
It's not
I'm
vlogging,
sorry.
tinatamad siya. Overwhelmed si ate.
Fuck you, Aljarot. Bag nga kayo.
Ang ganda ng selfie picture. Parang it's white.
Paparinig pa si ate. Patayin mo na nga yung...
And I'm so sorry for your shoe.
Oh my God, tell it to the vlog.
I'm so sorry for your shoe.
So,
So naglalakad kami kanina, papasok ng stadium. Tapos si Jen nasa harap ko. Naapakan ko, may shoe. Doc Martens ako. Naapakan ko yung labas ng, yung heel ng shoe niya. Tapos wait lang. Tapos pupunta pa kaming bar mamaya. Mag-after party kami. So, he's gonna walk around like that. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Hindi.
ballerina shoe.
Yes, show me your shoe.
Yun daw yung regular.
This is the regular one. Okay, work.
Inapakan ni
Yes!
What the fuck?
Come on, ballerina. Hello to my vlog. How are you feeling, Joey? How is everyone feeling?
We are excited.
Yes.
Maiiyak.
Watch.
Emotional.
It's already 8 p.m. Late si Mother. Filipino time siya.
Baka may half siya or something. Baka naman din ang grab.
Uy, Philippines.
Nasa
drive-thru.
sa Laupasan pa daw.
Wait lang kami yung magaganon mamaya ni Jen. Kay Lady Gaga.
Ay, yung Versusan.
Kasi ako sa Graham tapos siya sa...
Oh wait, show this. So, ang perfect ng seats namin because we literally have a dance area.
True. Oh my God.
Magka-Garden of Eden ako dyan.
Yan ang aming dance floor. Kita niyo yung mga tao dyan sa likod. Papatayuin natin yung lahat. Di ba mga kababayan? Charot. Hello, vlog. So we stepped out to film content. Ang dami ng tao. Concert's about to start! Please. Pang ilang dasal ka na?
Dasalan mo muna isa.
In the name of the Father, and the Son, and of the House of the...
Prophet still gave his coffee away. I've learned love is like a brick you can build a house or sink a dead body. Let's go, everybody! Well, bring everyone down. I'm made of plastic like a human doll. You push and pull me, I don't hurt at all. I talk in circles. So important to be yourself, but it's also so important to work hard at being yourself. It's okay to value who you are and fight for what you believe in. Thank you so much for buying a ticket to see our show. The art of personal chaos.
Bruno Mars.
I love singing this song for you every night. I can't believe it's going to be the last time for a little while. Hands up, come on! Give this song to my band and to my amazing dancers, everybody that put this show together. We love you so much. I can't do this by myself, and I don't want to. It's way more fun to do it with all of you.
Hello vlog. I'm speaking from the last song of the tour. Of course, obviously I can't film, but I'm filming this one for you guys. Thank you for watching today's vlog. I'm not gonna be ending it here, but I just wanted to say thank you for watching. That's it. I didn't forget about you, girl. Concert's over, guys. God. So, concert's over. Jenny. I'll always remember us. This little baby, you come back and hear a thing.
I have
And
no
it's
service in the club's face.
Joey, what happened? You look drunk. Wala namang alcohol dito, Diyos ko.
Tatago na ako ng shit.
Yay! The show's over! Kami na yung nagsara. Ay namin makapagsiksikan. That was an experience. Girl, I was breaking down for half of the show. Everyone's singing outside. We're still here. Goes down. Bye-bye! Bye, Mayhem! See you in Manila! Jenny! Don't wanna kiss, don't wanna touch, smoke my cigarette. Don't call my name, don't call my name. Roberto Cavalli.
Alejandro.
Stop!
Pusikat.
Si Carl. Say hi to my vlog. Josh, meet Josh. Hi, Trini. Yes. We are headed to
MLDR.
yes.
Yeah, MLDR.
MLDR is when you live afar from your significant other. Yes, MLDR. Jenny, where's the brain tonight, girl? Yes. Hey vlog. It's me again. So we booked a party dito sa Singapore. Kinda regretting it, but we have to go kasi binayaran na siya. And look, Philippine Josh would not believe I bought Evian. Oh, Philippine Josh is punching in there right now. Yes, I did. That's the quality you're getting, trash. You guys just saw me bought that stupid Evian water. And here is my Evian water review. It is pure dog shit. Like, grabe. Alam mo yung when you drink water, it's the most unsatisfying shit ever. Oh my god, and I paid like how much? How much in peso?
I think 120.
Fuck that shit. Evian, if you're watching, eat your shit and your stupid water. Where did you get it? Bakla Mini Nature Spring, 6 pesos. And it's so refreshing. It's so refreshing. Is it right? There's an apple this thing. Girl, not even. It tastes like parang water na pinakuluan para kumapal siya. Tapos nilagay nila sa bottle. And it tastes like plastic. Evian, do better. Charot. So, this is his party trick.
You're sure?
Yes! Maybe you'll come back and hear what then.
Then you left your shoes.
Bitch. As a suggestion, ay may mga backup, may mga naka-white. Yes! Hello. We've been here for a while. We asked for if we can get a refund, but they said they're not stopping, they're just pausing. So I hope we can get our money back. More proof. Hello. Again, we are here early, still lined up. The person there said we can't enter.